Imagine a world where you can reverse the effects of age, stress, and sun. From the leading name in biotechnology comes Regenerate. Another breakthrough from the Umbrella Corporation. Regenerate's revolutionary T-cell formula actually brings dead cells back to life. Now, your youthful beauty can last forever. Always
Civil emergency message has been issued for all residents within the Raccoon city limits effective immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Raccoon City Police Department and the Raccoon City Office of Emergency Management. Authorities are responding to a hazardous materials incident affecting multiple districts, including downtown, midtown, and the East Side Industrial Area. Residents are advised to take the following actions. Stay inside your home. Lock all exterior doors and windows. Do not let anyone inside your home under any circumstances. Avoid contact with individuals displaying severe flu-like symptoms, disorientation, or aggressive behavior. All major roadways and bridges leading out of Raccoon City are temporarily closed. Rail service and public transportation have been suspended. Hospitals and emergency services are currently operating at maximum capacity. Response times may be delayed. Residents are urged to conserve telephone usage and remain tuned to local radio and television stations for official updates. Stay indoors. Await further instructions.
Gee, that's big of you, Earl.
And I guess I owe the rest of you an apology, too. You know, for bringing on the end of the world and civilization and everything. And I know I put too much faith in progress and technology, and had too little respect for nature. But it's so easy to take nature for granted because it's always there. And technology is so bright and shiny and new.
We understand, sweetheart.
Understand what?
Well, little guy, what happened was Daddy was put in charge of the world, and he didn't take real good care of it. And now it looks like there won't be much of a world left for you or your brother and sister to live in.
Are we gonna move?
Well, no. There's no place to move to. This is the only world we got.
Residents are advised that specialized containment units have been deployed throughout Raccoon City to assist in hazardous incident response and recovery operations. The following law enforcement warning is transmitted at the request of the Raccoon City Police Department in coordination with federal authorities and Umbrella Biohazard Countermeasure Services. The deployed personnel may appear in full protective equipment or advanced tactical gear. Certain units may display the following characteristics: height exceeding 7 feet, limited verbal communication, heavy weaponry and dark protective gear. Failure to comply may result in use of potentially lethal force. Civilians are ordered to not approach or interact with personnel. Immediately vacate any area in which these units are active. This law enforcement warning will remain in effect until rescinded by the Raccoon City Office of Emergency Management.